Another day, another English lesson. Quantifiers. Either of, neither of, each of, and one of. In everyday English, we often need to talk about just one person or thing from a group of two or more. Sometimes to choose between two, sometimes to emphasize individuals in a group, and sometimes to mention a single part of something bigger. 4 helpful expressions for this are either of, neither of, each of, and one of. Let's look at what each one means and how to use it. Either of. Use either of when you are talking about two people or things, and you mean one or the other. It doesn't matter which. You can take either of the shirts. There are 2 shirts. Shirt A or shirt B is okay. I haven't met either of her parents. There are 2 parents. I haven't met them. Grammar tip. We usually use either of with a plural noun or object pronoun, but the verb is singular. Either of the options is fine. Either of my sons could have my keys. Neither of. Use neither of when you are talking about two people or things and you mean not one or the other. 0 out of 2. Neither of the answers is correct. There are 2 answers. Both are wrong. Neither of them was at the meeting. 2 people. Both were absent. Grammar tip. Like either of, neither of also takes a singular verb in formal English. Neither of the job candidates is qualified. Each of. Use each of when you are talking about 2 or more people or things, and you mean everyone individually. Each of the children got a toy. They all received one separately. I checked each of the boxes. You looked at every box, one by one. Grammar tip. Use each of with plural nouns or pronouns, but the verb is usually singular. Each of the apples is ripe. Each of the applicants was interviewed. One of. Use one of when you are talking about a group of people or things, and you mean just a single one. One of my friends is moving to Canada. Out of the group, only one is moving. This is one of the best books I've read. Out of many books, this one stands out. Grammar tip. One of always takes a singular verb. One of the students has the answer. One of those shirts is mine. Now, complete the sentences with the correct quantifier. One, I like both Superman and Jaws, so either of those movies is fine with me to watch tonight. Two, the teacher assigned unique bags to avoid mix-ups, so each of the students has a different backpack. Three, the 2 logo drafts are terrible. I don't like either of the designs. Four, the test had 4 choices for each item, but only one of the answers was correct. Five, the baker used a star-shaped mold, so each of the cookies was shaped like a star. Six, both twins hate parties, so neither of them is coming to the party. 7. I have relatives on 5 continents. One of my cousins even lives in Australia. 8. There were 2 important announcements, but because the speakers were broken, we couldn't hear either of them clearly. 9. 2 children were lost in the forest, but fortunately the medical report confirmed that neither of them were injured. 10. She spent many hours in the museum. She had enough time to see each of the paintings. 11. Management is flexible on this issue. Either of your 2 suggestions is acceptable. 12. One of my neighbors is a doctor. His name is James Appel. Thank you for watching this worldwide ELT language learning video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and ring the bell icon for notifications.